What's up guys, I'm Mikey Knows How and I'm back here with a brand new video. And on today's video, I have a brand new unboxing slash comparison slash on feet review. And as you can guess, it might have something to do with this pair right here. Stay tuned. I had to come back. I had to go pick up these laces that were in the bedroom. Yes, these are the 4D KITH Aspens. But before I get into the unboxing, I just wanted to talk about the similarities, or I wanted to show you guys what 4D is all about. I have behind here the shit. I got this light coming in now. Okay, so what we have here is the KITH Aspen Ultra Boost. These dropped December 2016. They're limited at that time. I don't know the exact number, but I don't want to think that it's over 10,000 pairs. I want to say it's less than 10,000. If I'm wrong, please make sure to hit the comments and let me know. Keep me informed, because I've researched all over the internet and I can't find anything regarding the amount of sneakers that were released for these. When images started popping up all over Sneaker News and Kicks on Fire and on Instagram regarding this shoe, I was just going nuts. Like, I needed to desperately own this pair. I just fell in love with the colorway. It's a multicolor basically. You know, you have all the different colors all meshed into one. But honestly, like, the only downfall of the sneaker, in my opinion, was this pattern right here. Like, I didn't like how dark this was. I believe the prototype pictures of this shoe didn't have this pattern. Like I said, it comes with these two. It comes with these two laces. Yeah, these are the actual default laces, so I've kept them ever since. You have the Ronnie Feig tag right there, and then you have the consortium handshake right there, and then now you have the KITH branded sole inserts with the consortium handshakes on them. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you, I've probably worn them maybe 3 times. I've taken very good care of them, as you can see, and there's a reason behind me not wearing these as often. They're super comfortable. It's an Ultra Boost, for Christ's sake, so you know they're gonna be comfortable. But in terms of like pulling them off with specific jeans or specific joggers, this part right here, I've never been a fan of this. Like, this is the only part of the shoe that bothers the hell out of me. But besides that, like, I love the shoe. I love looking at them. To me, they're a work of art. So it was natural for me to just jump. As soon as I saw the 4D pictures, I had to jump and get them immediately. Okay, so these came out in November of 2018. There are only 800 pairs of these. Again, 800 pairs of these worldwide. These came out, I had a feeling that I was gonna have to pay resell for them, and so I jumped on StockX and I picked them up. Let's see. Consortium Runner KITH 4D Aspens. I could already tell that these are gonna be incredible. Okay, so they're not numbered, but it says here on the bottom when you open the lid, the respect is mutual. Wow. Okay, so this is different. The Ultra Boost KITH Aspen didn't have this. They're already inside the shoe, but you have the insoles. That is dope. And now for the shoe itself. Oh. Sticker. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. These are incredible, man. I hope you guys can't pick up that jerk right now using his saw to cut wood or whatever the hell he's doing. Wow, I'm just blown away with these shoes, man. I mean, if the first KITH Aspen Ultra Boost was a work of art for me, just look at this shoe. My God, this is incredible. Oh, wow. I just noticed something brand new, man, that I don't think my 40 Alphas don't have. So inside, there's a little window. Can you guys see that? Yeah. There's a little window where you could see the actual 4D. Okay, dude, so I decided to switch it up a little bit and start shooting it from this angle instead because I was getting way too much glare. So I felt that I should give you guys a better angle and a more detailed look of the shoe. Like I said earlier, these come with 3 laces in total. I always kept these on the top. I always kept them on. These come with 2 laces, the flat laces with a multicolored colorway, and the same rope laces from the original Ultra Boost pair. And just for comparisons, I'm bringing out the 40 Alpha Edge just so you guys can see. So let's start off with what I've noticed with this KITH Aspen 4D. Right off the bat, you can tell that it's a completely different upper than the Ultra Boost. Obviously, this is an Ultra Boost pair. Also comparing the 4D material, I mean, you could tell that it's a lot more sturdier than this one, than the Alpha Edge. The sole is a completely different, let me compare them to this one. On the Alpha Edge, you have the same Continental grip on the bottom with all of these little tiny grip pods. All the pods, you can tell that they're all the same, whether they're almost like the same length. They're not faded out, they're not worn down, they're all evenly dispersed throughout the bottom of the shoe. Now on the Aspens, they're completely different. They're the same Continental, but as you can see here, the pods, the little grip pods, they start to change up. They start to get more, it almost looks like if they were worn. There's probably a reason. I mean, this shoe is a runner, so maybe as a runner, this is gonna help your arch and your midfoot when you plant. I don't know. I'm not a runner. I'm not a specialized runner. I don't run marathons, so I wouldn't know if there's a reason they did this, but do I like the look comparing it to this? I kind of like this better. You can see all the little fabric and the details that hold the shoe together, it's what makes it incredible. Now here's my favorite part. This burgundy or maroon color pull tab stripe in the back is what makes this shoe a 10, an easy 10. No doubt about it. Again, I mentioned earlier that I was not a big fan of this because as you can see, there's a little scuff mark. I'm gonna try to clean it off, but as you can see, this is a big problem. This is why, to me, you have all this white and then you have another white, and then I didn't like this part of the shoe. So again, here you have the Ronnie Feig initials. Here you have the consortium right on the metal round thingy. Here you have the Adidas branding. And again, you have the window, the clear 4D window, so you can see the cushion on the system. Same sock, just like this one. Unlike this one, this is a different system here. It's not the same. It grips the same, but it's a lot harder. For me, for some reason, this shoe is a lot harder to put on than these. I'm almost scared to like rip this off when I put them on because I have to I have to struggle to put these on. Okay, so check out the difference between the size and the width of the 4D material. You can tell that the Alpha Edge here has at least, let's say, what, 3 inches from the mid part to the bottom of the plastic material, of the 4D material. And the Aspens, I would say, have about 2.5. So obviously it's a different shoe. I mean, it's a different upper. The difference between the Ultra Boost Aspen and the 4D Aspen is that the retail price on the Ultra Boost was $220, and these were a whopping $500. Here are the inserts. And now I'm gonna give you guys an on-feet look. Well, that's a wrap, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you did so, smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Again, thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.